It's a classic pattern and a popular one to pull out during the fall season, but savvy home decorators are giving plaid a fresh, current feel these days. Designer Heidi Parson has a few guidelines to help it look and land right. Heidi, great to have you on Studio 5. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
One look at your Instagram page and you are doing it right. I mean, plaid, I think, in another world could feel stuffy or formal, but the plaid of today has almost a playfulness to it. Have you always been a fan of plaid, or is this a new crush?
Oh no. As you can see, I dress for the occasion. And I have always been in love with plaid. In fact, the oldest memory I have is when I was 2 years old, and I had a buffalo check bedspread. So it's been a long love affair for sure. And people people that know me know I'm obsessed, especially with buffalo check.
Okay, that's so cute. I love that. So let's start here. How can we keep plaid from like taking over or feeling too bold? Because buffalo check is a good example. It's kind of stark, often high contrast. What's your advice there?
Yeah, so I would say if you're kind of scared about it, take it slow. Use more of the natural tones, so like the tans, the browns, the soft blues. That's the way that it doesn't become like so overwhelming. It's really just take it subtle, and then it can play into any space.
And you point out it doesn't have to be the star of the show. You can pull in plaid as an accent.
Oh, okay. So what's funny about it is buffalo check and gingham, it seems that people are like, oh, it's trending, it's popular. So they're kind of getting more used to it. And so people are going more on board with it. But we're being reintroduced to it. I mean, this is like centuries old. Like this pattern, in fact, one of my most favorite movies is Emma, and it plays huge in that. So go check out that movie. But a way to do it is just, if you're kind of still a little nervous by adding it in your home, add it in throws, pillows, accent chairs, even rugs. So you can kind of get a taste for it. And I promise you, once you add it, you'll kind of get addicted to it. It's pretty impressive in a home.
We know it's all about the pattern mix these days. So what does plaid mix well with?
Okay, so my favorite is to add it to a floral print. And it's so interesting, like plaid, gingham, buffalo check. It seems like it plays with all fabric, all patterns. So, for example, if you add a gingham, or even a buffalo check, pair it with like a smaller floral, and it's like the perfect marriage. It's so beautiful, so soft. It's my favorite combination.
And floral is really trendy right now too, so it kind of pulls in that fresh feel we were talking about. In conclusion, you say if you do want to play it a little stronger, the upcoming Christmas holiday is a good time to test it out.
Okay, so people expect a bold pattern at Christmas. So you have your Christmas plaid, and I just go all out. I throw it. I just throw whatever together, and it always works. It looks fantastic. And so I would just say take the opportunity to just do it. It creates this warmth. It creates like a feeling like you want to sit by the fire and enjoy holiday season. And that's what plaid and all checks do to a home. It just creates instant warmth.
I picture you like Oprah in the living room. You get a plaid pillow and you get a plaid pillow. Like Christmas, bring on the plaid.
Absolutely.
I love it.
It's a great excuse. Yes.
Heidi, where can we get more design inspiration from you?
So I'm across all social medias at Home by Heidi. I play a lot on Instagram. I also have a really fun Christmas magazine feature. It's 15 pages of my home, all done in, the yummy plaids and ginghams. And it really focuses actually on my Scottish heritage. I have 4 tartans, so I think it's in my DNA that I have to love plaid.
Yes, it's built into who you are. Well, thank you for inspiring the rest of us. We appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you so much.